Hello friends, welcome back to HYD Hosting YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to learn how to optimize our WordPress website by using a plugin VP Rocket. First of all, we need to download the plugin. For download, this is a link which I will be providing you in the description. Just paste from description, copy from description, paste in your browser. vprocket.zip. Just by clicking here, this download button, you will be downloading the file. So after downloading, I have already downloaded file with me, so I am not going to download it now. Next, add plugin, add new. Upload plugin, choose file from where you have downloaded. It is there in my download. Zip. Open, install. See here, our plugin is successful, installed successful. Activate plugin. From here we are going in the settings of VP Rocket. Click ASLF. See here, it is GPL Plus license premium plugin. I have purchased it. Purchase this license. I am giving you absolutely free. Next, KK. We need to enable this, all these boxes. Don't change the time, save changes. Next, file optimization. Under file optimization, you tick all the options. You tick all the options. Save changes. Next, preload. Here also you select. Next, save changes. Next, advanced rules. Advanced rules. Don't do anything in advanced rules. In database, you check mark options, just it will be maintaining the database of our website. If traffic is more, you keep daily, otherwise you keep weekly. Next. So till now is our settings. This CDN is not required. If you want, you can do this with Cloudflare. Next, image optimization. Either you can use this by installing it, or you can use a free plugin called Smudge. I am using it. I will show you. See, I have entered a Gmail. Then it will be giving a message, congratulations, the API key has sent to your mail. Okay, now we need to open our mail. See here, I have got a welcome email from Imagify. Here is my key. Copy, paste here, connect me. Okay, go to the settings. Go to the bulk optimizer. Click on start the optimization. So here it will take around 10 to 15 minutes of time. So this is to my website. I don't have much images, so it's taken fast. Maybe it take more time for you if you have more posts and pictures in your blog. After doing this, completion of this, you just come to GT Matrix website. From here you can check the website speed. So after optimization of your website, your speed will increase. Check your site here. You can do this before and after, and you can see the difference between how much is the speed difference by doing. See here, our page speed is 98% and Y slow is 94%. See, everything is looking in the green. So this is the benefit of doing the web optimization. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to HYD Hosting YouTube channel. Thank you.